Welcome to Aunt Sandy's Kitchen. We are going to be making a family favorite called crumb cake. It's kind of like a coffee cake. It's not too sweet, got a little crunch in it, and it's very easy to make. It's my mother-in-law's cake. She's been making it as long as I've been in the family, and let's get to cooking. I've got my oven to 375, and it's a 13x9 pan, and I've greased it, sprayed it with some cooking spray, and we're going to drop that temperature down, but I'll tell you about that in a little bit. We're going to start with 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of brown sugar. Now, the original recipe, my mother-in-law told me that I could use a cup of brown sugar and a cup of regular sugar. But I like the 2 cups of brown sugar. I've done it both ways, but whatever you like to try, you can try. One stick of butter, that's a half. And we're going to mix it up. You don't have to get out the mixer or anything like that, because you mix it by hand. My hands are clean. I've washed them before I started. Just trying to get the nuts, these brown sugar, out of it, because you want it, try to get as much of that flour color out. I want to take a measuring cup of 2/3, because I'm going to take 2/3 of this mixture out and set it aside, because it's going to be for the topping when the time comes. I think that'll do it. So it'll be like this, you know, mostly brown. Got most of that color of the flour out. Okay. I'm going to take a 2/3 cup and kind of mash it down like that. And that'll be for the topping. We're going to set this aside. And we're going to put 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of soda, which is in this, 1 egg, and I've whipped it up, 1 cup of buttermilk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to mix it all together. Check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise. We're going to take this buttermilk mixture and my dry mixture, and we're going to mix them together. And if you like this recipe and found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. When you've got it all incorporated together, it'll look like this. So we're going to take it and we're going to pour it into the pan. We're going to take that 2/3 cup of that mixture, the brown sugar, the flour, and the butter. And we're going to spread it, crumble it, sprinkle it all over the top. Just make sure it gets all over. We're going to take 1 cup of chopped pecans, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, and we're going to mix them together. And we're going to sprinkle it on top of the topping. This is the topping for it. We've got our oven at 375. We're going to cook it for 10 minutes on 375, and then we're going to lower the temperature to 325 and cook it for 25 minutes. So we'll be back in just a little bit. We got the cake out of the oven. I've cut me a slice. And don't that look good? It's so moist, and that crunch from the pecans and the cinnamon, it is so good. I hope you try this. It's a great cake, and thank you for watching my videos. If you have any suggestions, just write them down in the comments. And as always, God bless. Check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you've learned something. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment on what you would like to learn.